Good afternoon, I'm Federica, and today we're going to review the account of one of our traders, Bill. Bill joined our funded trader program last December on the 2nd and hit his first 10% target on the 29th of January. So first of all, congratulations, Bill, on your first target hit. Very well done. And now let's have a look at how the journey with us has been so far. So in the beginning we can see a few ups and downs from his equity line. In fact, we can see while he was up a few days after 1% on his account, a few days after he joined the program, then something happened and he was down 2%. Just 1 week roughly after he joined the program. Then he managed to went back to the initial account balance, so we can see just few ups and downs, but nothing really major. In fact, we can see here from the 23rd of December, he started to gain profit after profits, and eventually he managed to hit his 10% on the 29th of January. From the statistics, we can see an average daily return of 0.16%, a monthly return of 5%, with a drawdown on average of 3.93%, roughly 4% of trailing drawdown, which is not a big figure anyway, so it was good. If we have a look at the advanced statistics, we can see 102 trades, 102 position opened with a profitability rate of just 48%, so slightly less than half of his position were positive. We can see an average win though of 29.08 pips with an average loss of 22 pips. Okay. His best trade on the 20th of January in terms of dollar, he gained $551. On the same date, we have his best trade in terms of pip, where he gained 110 pips. Very good, very well done. Regarding his worst trade, we can see here, December the 9th, he lost $193, while on the 13th of January, he lost 62 pips in a trade. Okay, let's have a look at the summary to see among these 102 position, which pair was his favorite, if we can say something like that. And we can see definitely here 32 position opened on the pound dollar on the cable. He gained 280 pips, resulting in a profit of $1,672. Very good. Also, we can see here 32 position on the pound Aussie. He gained just $23 on this one, and we can also see few other positive positions, but we cannot say that mainly his profits were from the trades he opened on the pound dollar. From the negative side, we can see here 4 position opened on the dollar yen. He lost altogether $103, and here 11 position opened on the Aussie dollar. He lost $80 on this one. Okay, let's have a look at the history, at the account history, to have a look at the lot size he used. So 2nd of December, when he first joined the company, at the beginning he was trading at 0.2, 0.3, 0.15, so he was not going full lot from day one. In fact, he was keeping his lot size quite small. Then we start to see few positions where he placed bigger lots, 0.5, which is exactly what he was allowed to trade with as the max. But we can see how it changed among the position per lot size. In fact, we can still see some position where he put 0.1, 0.3, 0.4. Okay, so it was not just one lot size for each and every position. Towards the end, we can see how we started to go more on 0.5 on each trade. Here, 29th of January was when he hit his first target, and in fact, yes, we can see here the withdrawal, and now of course he's managing his $30,000 account with us. Okay, let's have a look at the average trade length. 6 hours and 16 minutes on average. So on average we have an intraday trader. Let's have a look at the duration scatter plot. So the majority of his positions were held for less than 13 hours. Few other positions were held for longer, maximum 2 days and 6 hours. Okay, what is nice to notice is that among the trades, among the positions that he held for longer than 13 hours, only 1, 2, 3, 4 positions were negative. So this is something that is always good to mention, to cut the losing position short. And this is something that Bill did on his account. Okay then, very good, very well done. I look forward to do the second review of your account, Bill.